The epidemic is slowing down.
It seems like over the past days, people are talking about, oh, when we reopen this, we'll do this, we'll reopen that. It's not happening yet.
Cautious optimism accompanied by a stark warning. Give up now and risk losing everything. Canada's chief public health officer says things are improving, but both Dr. Tam and the Prime Minister urging Canadians to keep up preventative measures to ensure that COVID-19 does not return.
Coming down from this epidemic curve will be like making our way down a mountain in the darkness. We mustn't rush or let go of our safety measures, or the fall will be hard and unforgiving.
COVID-19 has ravaged the Canadian economy and decimated the daily lives of Canadians. New numbers show that in just 1 week of March, 1 million Canadians lost their jobs. Nearly 6 million have already applied for emergency benefits. And as people remain hunkered down, pressure is building to kickstart the economy. But the Prime Minister says there's still a ways to go.
It will be weeks more before we can seriously consider loosening the restrictions.
The government hopes financial aid measures will help keep Canadians afloat until businesses begin opening their doors again. But the real threat of a second wave of COVID-19 has officials warning Canadians now is not the time to rush to return to what life was like before the pandemic.
As impatient as people are getting all across the country, we need to continue to hold on if what we're doing now as sacrifices are going to be worth it.
Experts say the Canadian economy will likely shrink 25 to 35% over the next few months. But even once the economy gets rolling again, Tam says what lies ahead is still unknown.
We won't be back to completely normal. We know that the Canadian population is not going to be immune. There's a lot of people that's not going to be immune. And whatever we get back to is not going to be the same as before the actual pandemic.
In Ottawa, Nigel Newlove, City News.